Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stopping processes that hold the folder. Open Task Manager and end suspected tasks, then try a quick rename or rem diar to see if the lock clears. If it still refuses, open Command Prompt as Administrator and confirm the exact folder path using File Explorer. This prevents mistakes. Once done, you're ready to escalate permissions. Make sure to keep one window open for commands, while you test to avoid losing the path or reopening apps accidentally. Now claim the folder so you can modify it. Run tcon with the folder path and include recursive flags to grab everything inside. This makes you the owner. Next, use iCackles to grant administrators full control, which resolves permission-based locks. If the folder remains locked due to handles, open Resource Monitor, look under CPU handles, search the folder name, and close the specific process handle or use a trusted unlock utility. Once handles are released, the delete will succeed. With ownership and permissions fixed, remove the folder using rmdir/s/q from an elevated command prompt to quietly delete contents and folder. If Windows still blocks the action, reboot into safe mode or use the Windows Recovery Environments command prompt to remove stubborn items without most drivers and services running. If deletion still fails, make sure antivirus or BitLocker isn't intercepting file operations. Temporarily disable or suspend them before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.